right. We should be live. The second I see that we are live and everything is up and ready to go, I will start the stream. See that we are. All right, we see it. Perfect. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. First stream of 2025. Let's go. Give me a second. I'm running back. Hold on. I'm back. Morning, bro. Happy New Year. Happy New Year's, my man. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's start this stream off with a banger. Let's get some updates on the paper trading. Small little winning trade. December 30th. I posted it on my Discord, I'm pretty sure. But other than that, we're at 102.9. We start live trading not tomorrow, on Monday. We're back to our XFAs and everything. I'm still deciding if I should put in a couple $100 for a live account instead, and just do like a, like 200 to 200,000, 220,000 a challenge or whatever. Just for fun, see how that takes me, and then if it doesn't work out, or if it does, I'll go back to trading my XFAs. Now, on terms of price action, we got 10 minutes till 9:30. I'm bearish going into this session. Happy New Year's, E-Man. Happy New Year's, boy. Happy New Year's, Jason. Vapor. Happy New Year's. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Let me just post this in the Discord. All right. Now let's drop into what do we see today. So we see at 8:30, which is unemployment claims. Good morning, Kamal. You can see that we moved up higher, taking a form of buy side liquidity and trading into a higher time frame PD array, right? This little fair value gap, even this 15-minute. Here, I'll measure it out the 15-minute. See how it respects consequent encroachment. I am bearish. I'm more bearish than a bear. I think we're going to trade up into here at 9:30, and then I'll take that trade. A nice little short like this. We'll go down to here for some 6.5 RR. 15-minute setup. That's what I'm looking for today. I'm also paying attention while we're in that 15-minute SIBI, how the 1 minute reacts to it. Am I looking for shorts? Yes, I am. Happy New Year's, Rex. Good morning. Good morning, Nate. Happy New Year's. Good morning, Lino. Happy New Year's. Good morning, guys. All right, today's gonna be a great day. We're back on the grind. It's been a little bit of a break. People are still out having their New Year's, celebrating, not really trading. People will be back probably next week. Good morning, Tanner. Happy New Year's, my man. 2025. I made a 2025 vision board. I want to show you guys that vision board really quickly while we're waiting for 9:30 to approach. I encourage everyone to make a vision board. Let me just fix my microphone. That's not it. Here it is. All right. We got $100,000 in my investment portfolio. We got 20,000 subscribers. Obviously, grow my relationship with God. Continue to trade. I'm trying to aim for that physique. Travel more. 20,000 followers on Twitter, and then obviously keep the David Goggins mindset. You know what I mean? But that's my vision board. I encourage everyone else to make one. Yeah, 6R to start off 2025. That'll be great. On a 15-minute too. You know how rare 6R on 15-minute is? But honestly, it's like, it looks like we could get that kind of day here. You know what I mean? I have a feeling we're going to go down here. And with analysis, right, it kind of makes sense. All right, we look at ES here, and we traded into this bearish SIBI as well as take out these highs with SMT on NQ. So I might as well hold the position. And if it doesn't end up going to my TP, then I'll take partials, you know. Regular trading hour gap, yeah, as well down here. But if it's gonna go down here, like look at these relative equal lows here, as well as here. Oh no, this looks like prime to be sell off. It looks like, yeah, look, oh, the pre-market is low. Wow. Tesla's pre-market is down 4%. Wow. I wonder what this heavy manipulation is prior to the like, you know, Trump getting into office. I'm not taking a position in yet, not yet. Its earnings are soon. Its earnings are, oh, its earnings are going to be great. Yeah, this is manipulation prior to earnings. I might add a little bit more Tesla on this dip. Nvidia up on the pre-market. Bitcoin's back to 96. It went all the way down to 91, which is good. This one is about a rip. Hopefully it's up today. Let's hover over Nvidia. Oh. Let's hover over Nvidia and watch NQ and see what reacts here. My eyes is just, this is inefficiency. Taking this high, like, that's where my eyes are. Now, in terms of, like, where price shouldn't go, I don't think, like, I could move my stop loss way lower. I could even move it down to there. Like, it shouldn't even go there. I'll move it to here. Just like consequent mean threshold of this order block. And this is originally, not ideally, this isn't going to be 9RR, regardless of if it's a winning trade. I'm going to take a bunch of partials. I'm just keeping this out here. That's what that's where my head is at right now going into 9:30. Is shorts. Good morning, Zahid. Happy 2025. The 1 hour Bissy? What? Where? This? For sure this was traded into. Maybe not, actually. Yeah, it was traded into, but that could be a good partial as well. That'll be a partial. I think we're going to go lower than that. Honestly. We have its gap, new day opening gap. All right, 4 hour volume imbalance here as well. That could be a main target. It's right here, the low of this volume imbalance. All right, so we got a bunch of things to target here. That's also mean threshold or like consequent encroachment of this like consolidation. I'm doing great. Zahid, how did you have your, you have a good New Year's? Everyone have a good New Year's? I did. -3 minutes. T-minus 3 minutes. What firm do you think I should use? I don't know. I don't know what firm to use. For the live account challenge? Like 220K? Is everyone else bearish or bullish? What are your thoughts, guys? I think 9:30 is going to drive us up here. 2 minutes. But there's a very high possibility we just completely leave that. AMP. That's what ICT uses? Okay. Because look at this 5-minute reaction, right? There's a possibility we just rip lower without, because look at the 5-minute Civi there. Tesla's down a lot, bro. It's down $13, bro. Ouch. But it's a good buying opportunity, to be honest. Where do you think we could go? Possibly down to this fair value gap here. Which is pretty low, but there's a possibility. The video is up 1.2% pre-market, but pre-market, if it's not up like more than 5%, pre-market doesn't really matter. Tuesday high with SMT with ES, yep. I used to use AMP before. It's great, but never had issues. Just hate how you need to fund it. What do you mean? What do you mean how you need to fund it? Like, is there problems? Like, do you have to always have money in it or something? Or let me calculate my stop loss. It'd be 6. No. I go on micros. I have to do it on micros. Well, 930's here. You can see we're ripping lower, to be honest. Doesn't look like we want to go up higher. Where's 830? 830. Mark out buy side. There we go. Keep it simple and clean. Funding costs $25 for the wire, and it takes at least a day. Ew, I'm not doing that. $25 for a wire? 8 cap is free and other things like that. That's so stupid. I'm not doing that. That's actually so dumb. I'm not doing that. I've never heard of I've never experienced a $25 fee. Like if I want to fund $100 and it's going to charge me 25, it's 25% of my money. That can't be true. There's no way. Video up 2%. Tesla's down. Video. Oh, that's the 1 minute. I was about to freak out. Yeah. It's probably just going to consolidate for now. Paying attention to this right here. Waiting to see what 930 brings us to 950. Yep, it's crazy. I think there's a way to do it for less, but it takes like a week. I'm not using AMP then. Can't get out of here. I'll just use something else. Even if the spreads aren't that great, I'm not sacrificing 25%. You can see we're kind of driving up higher here. Now, what I'm paying attention to is SMT as well. Nope, next week at NQO, I'm trading my It's either I'm trading my XFAs or I'm trading a live account on paper trading, not paper trading, on TradingView. And I'll do like a little challenge to start the year off. But if that doesn't turn out to, like, if I don't turn out to do that, then yeah, I'm starting my XFAs after Friday. So starting Monday. All right, if we displace below this low, I'm probably going to catch a short on a 1 minute, put a stop loss there. This is an ideal entry, but we might not get that. Nvidia up 2.4% while Tesla's down 4.5% and continuing to rip lower. I have a weird feeling Tesla's going to be a very negative day today, like probably 10%. Very interesting. MicroStrategy's doing well. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to focus on the 1 minute here now. I think that's going to be a breakaway gap on the 15 minute. Yeah, it is. So I'm paying attention to mainly right now this wick. If it cancels out the displacement. All right. Still a lot of volume. Look at Tesla ripping lower. Wow. I want it to move up a little bit higher. I'm still very heavy on the bears. Doesn't look like it's going to react off the wick, so it'll just react off of this fair value gap here. I don't want this to be a breakaway gap. That'll be pretty upsetting. I'm going to just drag my stop loss a little higher and do one last contract here. Doesn't look, it looks like a breakaway gap, to be honest. And we've seen this protocol happen many times. You just be patient and wait for another setup to form. Don't chase anything. How many times, guys, have you seen me go through this exact same scenario of price leaving fair value gaps open and just ripping lower, and then I find my setup later on in the range? So, just sit on my hands. I haven't even drank my coffee. I got a coffee. There's another fair value gap here. Ow. I use Crest 3D white strips, and that actually really hurts. I'm telling you, we're going down there. I called it today. It'll be a shame if I don't get a fill, but that's the reality of trading. I don't think I will, which is okay. It happens to the best of us. All you can do is just journal what I went through and learn from it. Same thing. I'm journaling and learning. Now, at these situations, I want to wait a little bit longer before I take the trade to see how price reacts off of the first inefficiency presented to itself. This is 42. I'll just still risk 5. We're still in a decent range for sell side. Tesla's down 7%. Ouch. Wow. I'm going to buy some more Tesla today. Okay, paying attention how we react on this Cibi. If we even go to it. It looks really bearish right now, like really heavy, so I would be very shocked if price just rips past these fair value gaps. Well, I'm not touching anything until we get a fill for precision wise. That is true. D Howie. I stay away if fair value gaps start to get disrespected, but like, because a first presented fair value gap in one of these things could be institutional order flow entry drill, but if they're starting to get disrespected and gets choppy, then yeah, I'm gonna stay out of it. But this is institutional order flow entry drill, right? I'm gonna enter off of that. Stop loss up here for $500 risk, a little bit over 500, but my original risk for this trade was 500. And my take profit is going to be down here. for 2.2K. Little trade, but clean reaction so far. This coffee is banging. I only drink my coffee black, as you know. Yo, no one told me that Starbucks have a 50% off deal on like all their things. So I got like a nice little golden drinking cup for like $10 Canadian, like $15 Canadian, bro. Canadian, like that's seven. What is that? That's nothing for you Americans. I need to actually look at what a partial would be. Okay, my first partial is gonna be down here. I'll only take two partials. I'll take half off at that sell side liquidity, and then I'll take the rest off at my original take profit. Yeah, it's plastic, but like it's Starbucks, you know. Like yeah, $15 for a cup is pretty insane for Americans. It's more like $7. Um, and it's really not that. I mean, it's pretty cool. Like I don't, you know, I treat myself. I'm treating myself. I don't really have something that I can sip. Uh, like a bougie person, I usually drink my water straight from my water filter, or like I use a plastic gym cup. So it's, you know what? I'll treat myself to some Starbucks, a Starbucks cup. It's 50% off. Can you, bro? There was a cup next to this that was black and white. Same thing, $48. Who's paying $48 for a cup? You got me fucked up, bro. No, thank you. Tesla's starting to move back up, which is good. It's 9:40 now. I think we're in that 1 hour. Oh no, yeah, we went totally past that 1 hour. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we're going down here. I mean, I called this at the beginning of the stream. I called this whole move. I said we're bearish. I knew today was going to be very bearish. Let's just hope my trade is still bearish. Because there's a lack of displacement, like inefficiency, but we are moving lower. I did join my stop loss in a little bit, so now I'm under my risk management, which is good. Good morning, Daricio. Happy New Year's. I see a 4-hour inversion for I hope we go top of the day like last time. I think we're not going to move higher until we take these relative equal lows here. Oh, it's different on minis. Right here. Right. Oh, no, it's not. Right there. All right, we're going down there. Those are relative equal lows. Those are engineered. They've been engineered for this manipulation leg all the way back into this imbalance. It's been engineered for time. We're probably going down there, so I'm just going to sit on my hands and wait. The entry was just after 8:30. I don't trade till after 9:30, so anyone know why the Trade of 8 connecting with TradingView does not give me stop loss or take profit buttons? It's probably something on buy and sell buttons on your TradingView if you double click. I don't like this reaction actually. XRP is doing pretty well. If you ask me, this thing's about to fly. 2 minutes to see where this is. I have a feeling it's gonna be up here. I don't like this reaction. It's not institutional overflow entry drill anymore, but it could go back up into this SIBI because it didn't actually go into it. So there's a possibility it takes these short-term relative equal highs, trades into it, then moves lower again. So I'm not worried. Everything that's happening is pretty predicted. It would be nice if it doesn't make a higher high, so it respects that, which looks like it could possibly do right now. Trade. Yeah, you have to select the TP and stop loss prior to placing the trade. If you don't, you will have to set limits and stop loss manually. That's kind of dumb. Nvidia is almost at break even on the day. Looks like it's negative already. That doesn't make sense. Oh, because of a gap up, yeah. All right, I want to watch this stock to see where we open. I'm not worried on my position on NQ. $30 till 9:45. 9:45 should drive us lower on this trade, as well as rip higher on here, hopefully. If you know me, you know that I've been very interested in this stock. I think it's a really good decision, and I think it's about a rip up higher sometime in this new year, probably in the first quarter, second quarter. So I'm pretty heavy on this market. I want to see what happens at 9:45. So 3 seconds. Okay, 1% gap up, which is nice. It's instantly correcting itself, but it could continue up higher. 9:45 is driving us higher on this trade, which I don't really like. But again, we can still go to that SIBI and still react lower. Trader Hobbin, Happy New Year's. How's the new job? I actually haven't started yet. I'm slowly, like right now, I'm working on building a CRM. I'm using HubSpot. I'm working on building it, making it automated. But I start full-time working, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m., 6 days a week. I start January like 8th. I actually don't know the exact date, but it's sometime in between. Sometime this month. Happy New Year's Uncommon. Welcome. This 2025 is our year. 2025 is the year of Benjamin ICT's chat to succeed. We are all going to succeed this year. We are in the SIBI. About time. I don't like the reaction as of right now. 1% up on Healwell. Almost 1% up on Nvidia. Down 4.6% on Tesla. Okay, that's a great reaction so far. Let's see where it closes. If it closes in a bearish candle, I'm very confident. Say it louder, the year of the blessings breakthrough. Last year was my breakthrough. This year is my blessings. Last year was probably one of my best years. I don't really like this reaction. I wish this SIBI was a little bit stronger. But it's whatever. We get stopped out. We get stopped out. We're approaching the end of this paper trading account anyways. It's been very break even, to be honest. We're at like 103K. We haven't taken that many trades. These are partials, right? I've probably taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades on this account. So 3% in 8 trades is pretty good, to be honest. I'm working a little bit at home, but I start full time like third week of January. 3% in 8 trades on the paper trading is pretty good if you ask me. Let's see if we can top that today on this trade. We did body above consequent encroachment, so doesn't look like it's too great. Doesn't look like it wants to respect it. No, in terms of Tesla though, I kind of want to buy some. I'm just trading into that weekly. But see, yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy some Tesla right now. Or should I sell to buy it? I'm selling my TQQQ. Pending, so it'll give it a second. Hopefully Tesla doesn't rip up higher in the time being. Looks like it wants to. In terms of this trade, it looks like a loss. Took a profit on 933 and 940, last position off. Nice, brother. Yeah. All right, one loss. I'm more worried on this Tesla play, though. I'm going to cancel my order. TQQQ, sell stocks, 10 shares. Okay, I'm going to buy Tesla. Okay, I bought some Tesla. I'm going to buy a little bit more. So far, it looks like it wants to react off of this SIBI, but I'm going to wait for extra confirmation before getting back into this trade. All right, I bought a bunch more Tesla. In terms of NQ, nothing crazy yet. Fractional buys take so much longer on Less Simple. I'm up, bro. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, E-Man. Thank you, my man. Stopping in the stream. All right, this reaction on this SIBI looks pretty good. I'm not going to take it until we trade below here. But I'm still bearish regardless of what happens. It's down negative. Still pretty positive. 14%. Wow. What else is flying? I'm gonna anticipate MicroStrategy is flying, right? Dogecoin up. MicroStrategy 6%. Yeah, very anticipated. Okay, I'm actually gonna disrespect that. I'm not gonna take a long. I'm not gonna take a long. Just because I don't like it right now. I mean, that looks like a clean reaction to reverse, but I mean, it depends on SMT, right? We did fill up that gap. And we did trade into that 1 hour BSC. And we are totally disrespecting that. And we took a form of sell side. And we filled out the opening range gap twice. I kind of want to revert my bias. Just look at these relative equal highs, right? I think that delivered us, and yeah, that looks more appetizing now. I think I might adapt to the play call here and revert for a long. I'm gonna cut my risk again. So this is something that you should journal, guys. When you get one losing trade, if you want to take another trade, cut it in half. If you lose that, you're done for the day. Because we are trading into that 15-minute CB now, but that's way too big of a reaction. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to pay attention here to institutional orbital entry drill. Sit on my hands, wait for another opportunity to present itself. Tesla looks like it wants to move up bullishly after today and wants to close that out and move up back up higher. This looks like the last act as manipulation down into this weekly fair value gap. You see respects consequent encroachment, so it looks like it wants to move up from here. I think Tesla's primed to go to like $1,000. Like, look at that, goes down into here and straight up higher. Okay, we're in that 15-minute SIBI now. So I'm paying attention to how this reacts. Other than that, 2025 is the year of mental discipline with trading, guys. I'm gonna make a little short video today on a nice video on a plan on how to achieve your first payout in 2025, and the plan I used in 2024 to get it. Well, it looks like we might revert lower. I'm just gonna sit on my hands and wait for something to give me more confirmation. The video looks like it wants to move up higher too as well. I have an extra $1,000 more that's pending in fractional sells to buy more Tesla. So hopefully it stays negative for a little bit longer. Let me see what ES is doing in terms of SMT wise. It's in this 15-minute order block. There's a high probability we could reverse down lower from here. But that's kind of crazy, like a do. You know what I mean? I don't think that's, like, this is the 950 macro that drove us higher, so. I don't really want to catch anything right now. I might just accept the $400 loss. A displacement to the downside might give me an opportunity to sell. But other than that, I don't think I would want to aim for, I don't want to try to catch the top or bottom of anything right now. I just want my fractional order to go through, to be honest. Good reaction on this. I might want to take a little order here. 34. Three contracts. See where this candle brings us. Oh, fuck. I'm on. I'm on minis. Oh my gosh, you guys did not see that. You guys did not see that. Well, that's like $700. Whoops. Whoops. I mean, it worked. What's up, Joel? Good trade. That's not. I'm not even taking that, to be honest. Like, this looks like a great reaction on the 15-minute though. It could be a good reaction down to a discount. So I'll take half off on a discount here. Happy New Year's. Happy New Year's, my man. Yeah, I think I'm gonna close this trade. I'm gonna keep my stop loss here though, because it looks like that could be heavy manipulation. It looks like it wants to move lower. From this reaction, it's a little clean. I've seen this happen way too many times. This is a big wick to get rid of all the potential buyers. I mean sellers, and then it rips lower. I just hope that my stop loss is in play. It's actually a little bit too low. There we go. Come on. Is my order through? It's still pending, dude. What's up, Zahid? Again, I don't like how we're lacking displace. Like 10 a.m. should have displaced us lower. We should be displacing lower very soon. If we don't, then I don't really like the trade. I might take a position off here. But again, look how consequent encroachment is being respected by each body. Like, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles in a row of just consequent encroachment respecting that 15-minute. And this wick perfectly respects it. This is either heavy manipulation for people to get into shorts for them to drive up higher again, or this is just accumulating orders to drive price lower. But I'm so excited to start trading again next week, guys. You don't even understand. I've missed it so much. I've missed live trading. I missed the payouts. And regardless of like how seriously I can take paper trading, it gets to a point where I can't take it as seriously as regular live trading just because it's not money. You know what I mean? Like, I can't take it exactly as seriously as live trading. So, yeah, no, I can't wait for next week. I'm sure you guys can't wait either. It's probably more entertaining to watch someone trade live funds. It is. Tesla's moving lower, which is pretty good. I want it to move a lot lower so I can add the rest of my money in. Nvidia is moving up, which is good. I don't like how this is negative. Bitcoin. Yeah. Finally in the profits on this trade. Zahid said bro and then just didn't respond. I don't like how we're not leaving it yet. Kind of want to leave this fair value gap now. think we're due for a displacement anytime soon. So I'm going to use this right here. I shot consequent encroachment. I'll take a partial here. Wow, look at that. Look at that algorithm, bro. From this low to this high, what does mean threshold or consequent encroachment or whatever you want to say match up with? 50% of the opening range gap. That's definitely a strong partial if we get this trade. Bro, hear me out. Uh-oh. What are you going to say? You going to talk about big booty Latino men again? Like you did last stream? Alright, this doesn't look too good. The reaction was nice. You know, it could wick lower again, but if we body above consequent encroachment, I'm closing the trade. Come on. Thank you. Close the trade early. Body past consequent encroachment. I'll stay out for one more trade, but I'm going to wait. See what this does. We would technically be down 0.5% today. A little more than 0.5%. My max loss limit is 1%. I want to see how price reacts to this inversion as well after bodying above this. Not too interested in anything right now. It was a good close though. Zahid, you're just saying my name and saying, bro, hear me out. You're not actually writing the message. Let's see what this looks like. 40. And this would be my last trade of the day. Then I'd get off. Don't want to rush anything, force anything. Take profit would be up here. A small little 2-hour trade. But what else could we aim for? Where's relative equal highs? We can go up for up here as well. Zahid, I'm gonna ban you. It's either your message isn't going through or you're just trolling me. Possibly get a fill here soon. After this, I'm done for the day. Alright, let's test something out here. This is the last trade of the day. $250 risk. I'm out if this doesn't work. I just can't find my flow today, which is all good. $600 profit for these highs up here. This is heavy 930 manipulation if that's the case, if we do move up a lot higher. I don't see your message then. If you're commenting something crazy, you have to post it in your in the Discord. I actually love starting off things with losses. Makes me humble. So excited for this year, guys. You don't even understand. See, it's using this 15 minutes as an inversion. Price wants to drive higher. After this trade, I'm off. Win or lose. If you guys are new to the stream and you like what you're watching, I'm going to be trying to stream every single day, so make sure you subscribe. It helps me out. I also have a big goal this year. I hit my goal last year of 1,000 subscribers. My next goal is 20,000. If you want to be part of me, part of my journey, subscribe, notifications on. I also have a free Discord that is private now, but it will be opened back up to the public in Q2 of 2025, which will come like that, so don't worry. Time will fly by. Your reaction on this trade so far? See if we can make back our losses today. This coffee is banging. Oh. But yeah, this year's going to be great. This year's going to be great. Not only am I going to do well, but everyone watching the stream is going to do well. Ever been in love, Ben? I'm in love with the markets. Love with the gains. Of course, Zahid. I'm in love with my beautiful girlfriend right now. So pumped for 2025. I'm very pumped for 2025. That's what she said, Zahid. Did my order go through or what? Like, all right, one of them went through. Now I have to do a fractional buy. Now I did a fractional buy, which is going to take another 20 minutes to get in, so good thing Tesla's still staying a little negative. Decent reaction so far. You can see we've been consolidating at consequent encroachment. We're about to move higher. By the way, guys, I have a TikTok. It's actually starting to go viral, so make sure you follow my TikTok. It's my bento link, I'm pretty sure. If it's not, then it's just Benjamin_ICT. Ooh, nice, 4.2K views on that one. I just posted. Why you got a TikTok? Why not, bro? It's fucking another platform to market on. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Box my face in? What? What do you mean box my face in? Yeah, you like this new shirt I got? My girlfriend got it for me, bro. It makes me look... It looks... Oh, I'm actually on a cut now, guys. Energy's gonna be on a... But I'm gonna look jacked. So I'm also taking Crest 3D whitening strips. I am drinking coffee, so don't mind my yellow teeth right now. Trade's going decent. I would love a little bit more speed to it, but I can't ask for everything. Let's see where this 15-minute candle closes. See if it closes above it. The SIBI. If it doesn't, then I'll close the trade. Be happy with what I got. Yo, what's up, Midas? I think YouTube isn't sending my message. Well, if it's against terms of service, it won't send a message. Maybe I have like chat on an extra. Oh, there we go. Here, there we go. I can see it now. If you start dancing and shit, I'm gonna pull up. What? Yeah, I see it. It's because you were swearing. Still Paper, starting live next week. Starting Monday. I'm so excited. Yeah, so there's a section on my thing where you can click top chat or live chat. Top chat says some messages such as potential spam or against terms of service won't show, Live chat, all messages, including swear words, will show. And of course, Zahid is the only one of the messages that don't show because it's Zahid. Like, come on. There's nothing new here, guys. We already know this, that he's gonna get banned. So I'm a spam. I guess you're a spam. Decent reaction so far. You can see the wicks are reacting off the inefficiency, but we're lacking that big displacement to the upside. We have 1 minute to stay up here, so yes, please move lower, Tesla, so I can get a better fill. I think my other order is going to go through now. It's still pending. It's like $700 that's pending. I would love to get that in. Nvidia's doing good. It's going to rip up higher soon, I'm telling you guys. Nvidia's going to do amazing this year. Same with Tesla. Definitely isn't security run right now. It's not really low. This is like high resistance, bro. This was low resistance liquidity runs. These two. This like Eiffel Tower pattern. I'm just waiting for that last leg of delivery to the upside, but we might not get that. I'm going to drag my stop losses, actually. Shouldn't go below consequent encroachment of that. New 15-minute candle body above, so it could trade down and use this as an inversion. That's why my stop loss is below it. But we should be driving up higher now. It's a new 15-minute candle. What is this price action? This is called 2025. I'm kidding, no. Price action. This is why I'm not trading until next week. It's still holiday price action. Like, it's, don't rush into trading, guys. Don't. The way you lose money is being greedy and wanting to get into trading fast. You know what I mean? Like, be patient. Wait for your setups. Wait for your high probability markets. I'm starting next week, and next week will be great. Notice how we've had more shitty price action days than positive in the past month, and I didn't trade that all of it. I saved my mental capital and my actual capital. I am starting to trade next week. Yeah, definitely start trading next week. Like, if you really want to play it safe and you have a lot more on the table, wait a whole nother week for the third week of January. I would wait till February, to be honest, because the third week is NFP, but okay, I'm going to freak out if this fractional order isn't going to go through, because like, what's going on? It's still not going through, bro. It's still pending. Yeah. We're in that tap consequent encroachment of the inversion, so. What does Edgewell say? I have no idea. I'm not working with them anymore, so I don't really use it. Ow. All right. That scared me. I'm out of this, guys. I'm out of this crappy price action, to be honest. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for another stream. Tomorrow's Friday. And then one more stream, and then we're back on live. We're back where I missed you guys. We're back with the nice price action. Look for NQ shorts. I've looked for shorts. I've looked for longs, and now I'm gonna look for some food and some more work. Thank you guys so much for stopping in the stream. We're going to fuck off, Zahid. We're gonna go back to live trading, fellas. We're going to go back to live trading. One more day of paper. And then we're going to start the year off with a boom. Yep, we are back. And I'm going to be updating the Discord a lot as well. Thank you guys for watching the stream, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy. Happy New Year.